Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I styled this beautiful 18-inch U-part kinky curly wig from UNice hair. Stay tuned. So inside of the box, I received the wig, some lashes, a wig cap, and a little insert. So my first impression of this wig is that it is beautiful. It has a beautiful curl pattern, feels amazing, nice and full. So excited to try this out. So again, this is a U-part wig, so I am going to cut the elastic in the middle. Comes with 6 combs, 3 in the center, and then 2 on the sides, 1 in the back. And then it also comes with an elastic band with adjustable straps that you can adjust to fit your head size. So before installing the wig, I am going to put a wig cap on the back portion of my hair, and hopefully it stays in place. So this wig is definitely big head girl friendly. So I definitely had to take it off and readjust the straps because it was way too big. Also, as you can see here, I just had 2 big flat twists going to the back, and there was nothing to secure the comb in the front on the side. So I did have to go in and add a little braid up top so that I could secure the wig in place. So here is the wig installed, and again, the hair is absolutely beautiful. So I'm just going to go in and take down my twist so that I can blend my leave out with the wig. So in order to blend my leave out, I'm going to first go in with my spray bottle and mist my hair some. And then I'm going to be using my TGIN Curls and Roses collection. I'll be using the mousse and the gel. So first I'm going in with the Rose Water Curl Defining Mousse, and I'm just going to add that to the leave out section. And then next up, I'm going in with the Rose Water Curl Defining Gel, and I'm just raking these products through. And here are my final results, and I am definitely loving this look. Again, this was my first time trying a U-part wig, and this was so easy. We'll definitely be using this wig again, so stay tuned for more videos. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I will leave all of the information for this unit in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.